Greeting everyone. Presenting Dynamo Sample 12 on creating room from AutoCAD drawing. Firstly, you should have AutoCAD drawing. Import the CAD drawing into the Revit model, and place the drawing according to the project base point. Please select the CAD drawing, and on the top right-hand corner of the Revit, there is a query icon. Please click on that icon. The purpose of using query icon is to find the layer name of the text. Next, go to Manage tab and click on Dynamo Player. Run the script. On the first option, input the layer name. Second option, select the level, and on the last option, select the CAD drawing. Then run the script. As you can see, the rooms are being created. If you have any inquiries on the script, please feel free to comment down below. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more scripts. If you are interested to learn how I generate the script, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.